Good morning, friends. Today is Sunday, so today we are going to see some of the investment scripts for short term. Before going to see the scripts, if you are not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe and please click the bell icon for further notification. And please do like and share if the videos are useful. Please give your views on the comment section so that I can improve myself. So these are the methodology we are used for our trades normally, and I'm going to show the WhatsApp message for the investment. So these are the some of the companies which I have posted in my WhatsApp group. So you can also have a look on this company. If you feel this company is doing good, you can make some small investment, maybe some 3% to 5% of your portfolio, and you can trade with this company. So the first company name called Ajanta Pharma. So this company is currently trading at 2169. So I'm looking for this company at entry point 2175. Above the 2175 we can enter this company, and stop loss we can keep it as 2110, and the target is 2285. Within 1 month I'm expecting this target. So we will see this company. If it's moving fine, you people can do your analysis and you can enter this company. And the second company name called ICC Bank. So currently trading at 669 or 670. So we can buy this 675. So we can buy this company above 680, and the target is 710. So you can also have a look on this company. This company is already doing some good profits in the quarter results. So this is possible to move in this our targets. So have a look on this company. If you feel good, then you can enter this company. And the next company name called Bajaj Consumer. So this company is also doing good. We can buy above 293, and we can keep the stop loss 287. It is a very near stop loss is there, that is fine. But this company is also doing good in performing well, so we can have a target of 310. Keep watching this company. If you feel this company is doing good and it's moving upside, you can enter this company. You can get some profits. So the next company is called ITC. The ITC also doing good, so it is in buying mode right now. So we can buy this company at this current price with the stop loss of 205. The target is 230. So this is also can happen within 1 month or 2 months max. So ITC start moving now. Earlier it was not at moved, but now it starts moving. You can invest on these companies. So if all the above mentioned companies, you can make it 3% of your portfolio size, and you can take up your calls if you feel these companies are doing good. And the next company name called Tata Power. This one I feel this is a potential scripts for a long term. So anyone can hold this company for a long term. So it can go above 500 within 2 to 3 years. All Tata groups are doing always good. So this company is very cheap, is in my opinion. So you can have a look on this company. Definitely for this company we can have a enter on this current cheap price. This is a very good company, I feel. So for long term also we can hold this company. We not need to keep any stop loss for this company. Definitely it will go in further heights. If you want this kind of support, you can connect me in this number. Thanks for watching the video. If the videos are useful, please do like, share and subscribe. Please click the bell icon for further notification, and please click all for further all notifications. Thank you, and grow with us.